So here we are on my LinkedIn profile, Mark Warnken, and this video is all about how you can actually ask one of your LinkedIn connections for a recommendation. Now, in LinkedIn terms, a recommendation is a reference or a testimonial. And it's very important that we do have them on our LinkedIn profile, because our LinkedIn profile is, is a great online resource that explains who we are and what we do and how we help. So having some recommendations attached to your profile just, I suppose, improves your social proof in the online world. So I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom. Now, there's a few ways that you can ask for recommendations, and they both get you to the same result or the same place. So I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom where my current recommendations are currently housed, and I've received 43 so far. So it's really simple. I can just click on the link here. See, LinkedIn have made it really easy. I can click on the link and ask for a recommendation. So for this example, I'm just going to ask for a recommendation from my brother. I'll bring up his name. So LinkedIn are going to prompt me, okay, who do I want a recommendation from? I've typed in my brother's name. Select the relationship. So in this example, I'm going to say, you are a client of Stephen's. I was working with my brother Stephen, and in this case, I was working at this job. So LinkedIn are just saying, Mark, what was the relationship and what job were you working at the same time? And there we go. And then I would do a customized message there, and I would send that off. And that's how simple it is. So right at the bottom then, if you have some current recommendations, you just click on the link there. Now, I've actually, someone's requested I give them a recommendation. So when I send that off to my brother, he will get a message that say, hey, Mark Warnken has asked for a recommendation, and also this button appears. So this person here from Cheta Hamza, he's asked me to give him a recommendation. Unfortunately, it's an unsolicited one. I don't know him, I've never met him, and sometimes people on LinkedIn do that, but I haven't. I'll delete that and obviously won't do it. So that's the first way you can actually write a recommendation for someone, or the steps that you do. Let me quickly show you the second way as well. So the second way is that you find the person on LinkedIn that you want to ask a recommendation from. So again, I've typed in for my brother, Stephen Warnken. So this is his profile. He doesn't have a very good profile. He's not really much into LinkedIn, but that's okay. And I would click on the button here. Here we go. And request a recommendation. So there we go. And it's the same information that it asked for me on the one that I just showed you. You're a client of Stephen's. This is the job that I was working in. Hi, Stephen, could you write a recommendation re the work we did together last month? That type of thing. It's as simple as that. And you would send the message off and he would get a notification. That's how simple it is to ask for recommendations on LinkedIn.